CNBC-TV18 presents Crypto Corner, powered by CoinDCX.
Well, in Crypto Corner, we talk about on the hacks and scams as well that this year has seen. Well, 2025 would be known for its very strong regulations, especially from US, the stable coins doing very well, and then, of course, institutional adoption and the kind of DeFi and tokenization activities that actually grew, got adopted and matured as well. But the other thing that also seems to be bothering the markets is the hacks and scams. And 2025 perhaps would go down as a year where you would be looking at vulnerabilities in blockchain protocols, smart contracts, and DeFi platforms as well. So what I bring to you today is the big numbers that we've seen within this space as well. The first one on the street is Abracadabra. This is a DeFi protocol known for its magic internet money stablecoin and does quite well, by the way. Here we have seen a big loss being drained, and what we saw going down was almost to the tune of $1.8 million drained via a flash loan exploit there. The other one on the list is Hypervault. This is a yield farming protocol within the Hyperliquid ecosystem. Here as well, $3.6 million was lost due to a rug pull within the organization where we saw people close their social accounts, take all the money and go away. So this was clearly an example of a rug pull there. The third one I'm looking at is Shibarium Bridge. Here as well, there was a loss of almost 2.4 million recorded, especially in cryptos like SHIB, which is a meme coin, and then Ethereum. And then there are some other listed coins onto that one as well. The fourth is Individual Bitcoiner. Well, there was a phishing scam onto this one that did lead to 783 Bitcoins, which were worth $91 million, a loss really as big as that. The fourth one really is BTC Turk Exchange. Well, we did see a hot wallet exploit onto this one. That led to nearly $48 to $50 million of a loss coming in for this one as well. So it's just inching up, and we have huge losses, and the bigger credible names clearly coming out with that. The Bitcoin Turk Exchange has this one. The breach led to an unauthorized flow of $50 million at the Turkish crypto exchange, really leading to a lot of loss there. And what we understand by the latest news is that nearly 30% of that is just about what has been recovered at this point in time. Take a look also at the GMX V1. This is a decentralized perpetual trading protocol. The attacker herein repeatedly entered, exit, and finally what it did was burn functions in a single transaction, draining almost around $40 to $42 million in case of crypto assets there. The second last that I have on my screen is Resupply. This is a DeFi lending platform focused on tokenized donations. This was exploited for roughly $9.5 million as well. And then finally, I'm also looking at Nobitex, which is Iran's largest cryptocurrency exchange, and nearly $90 million here has been drained from hot wallets. So as I said, 2025 would be known for a lot of things, but within that, it also is going to be about frauds, scams, and hacks that we've seen within the space. Well, that's what we have on Crypto Corner, but with that, let's go for a break, come back and talk more about markets and stock specifics.
CNBC-TV18 presents Crypto Corner, powered by CoinDCX.